Hey everyone, this is Seth Bloom from Bloom Legal, and thanks for watching our video today. We're doing as many COVID videos as possible during this strange time in the US, but I think today what we're going to talk about was getting in car accidents. What does that mean normally, and how has that changed during the COVID epidemic? Right now, the most important thing is if you are in an accident and you're injured, you want to get to a hospital. You want to remain in your vehicle. You need to call an ambulance. Your health is the most important thing. And that really is the same principle as it was before COVID, and that's what it should be. But now, maybe you get into an accident and you're not sure if you're how injured you are or whether or not you want to go to a hospital. If you are injured, and you're bleeding or it's anything life threatening, you need to go right to the hospital or call 911 first, preferably, and get an ambulance to take you there. If you're just bruised or you're a little bit sore, if it's close call, then what you need to do is you probably should go see a doctor or go to the hospital. Instead of going directly to the hospital or the emergency room, it may be a safer option to call a physician if you have one, calling an urgent care center. A lot of these places are allowing people to make appointments and they only allow one person at a time from a parking lot to go in. There are a lot of safety measures that are in place. So when you're in an auto accident and you are injured, it is very important to get seen by a doctor or someone in the medical field. You need to be looked over, and that helps document what's going on with this injury. So in the old days, meaning pre-COVID, I would say go right to the hospital, go right to your doctor. But now a lot of us don't want to be in a healthcare surrounding during this time where we don't know exactly how we can get it. We know that the pandemic is airborne. We know it's highly contagious. We all know people here in New Orleans who've had it. We all know people here in New Orleans who've passed away from it. So we know how serious it is. But also, car accidents are very serious, whether you're hit by, it's a motorcycle accident, car accident, boat accident, any kind of personal injury. You have to weigh the options of when to get medical care. If you just think you've had a little bit of a whiplash or you're just bruised or you're not hurting so bad, maybe you can go home, call a physician, try to go see him or her later at a later time. But just be careful. You do want to have an examination. This isn't the time to get into an accident and have nothing done and find out later that by not taking medical precautions, you actually injured yourself even further. So I'm Seth Bloom. Here at Bloom Legal, we handle personal injury. We handle auto accidents. We can do video conferences for you if you'd like to talk, certainly a phone call. And in limited situations, there may be a possibility in the near future to meet clients, but it's not necessary. If you've been injured in an auto accident, we can sign you up and get all your information via email, via video conference, and really handle everything remotely. Again, my name is Seth Bloom at Bloom Legal, 504-599-9997. Thank you.